mis amores, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am showing you how to get this Michael Myers look. Now I got inspired because I googled Michael Myers and there was this image that I don't know where she came from or anything like that, but she really inspired me to do this look. Now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I look like The Grudge, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, Michael Myers, yeah, he's there. You could have like the jumpsuit and the rubber knife with you with blood on it, so that way people can know that you are him. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. But before you do, you already know, if you are not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Kind of want to get on the scary side, so if you guys want to see how to get this Michael Myers crazy look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I've already prepped and primed my face, and I'm showing you the reference picture again. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take that CC Beauty Flash palette, the white color, and just go all over the face and neck because we're using that as our base for the mask. Now once we put the white paint all over the face, what I'm using is a disposable wedge sponge, and I'm just setting it into place so that way my face didn't look so streaky from all of the strokes of the paintbrush. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that white color from the James Charles Morphe palette in the shade Flashback, and I am just setting all over my face so that way nothing is creasing throughout the night. So off camera, I did my brows, and now we're going to use a black gel eyeliner, and we're going to map out our two eyes as if we had our eyes cut out like a blackout hole. I guess that's how you could say it for him.
and we're just going to draw that in and then fill it in with it, because I feel like with this one it's more better to work with a gel liner than the oil paint, because I feel as though the oil paint will get a little bit more oily throughout the night even though you set it. But with this technique, I feel as though this is way much more better, so definitely use a gel liner to do this look. After drawing out and filling it in, I am setting it with the shade Spooky from the MorphexJamesCharles palette, so that way it doesn't crease as well. After setting the eyes, I am going in with Spooky and Benny, and what I'm doing is I am mapping out my shaded areas so that way it looks more mask-like. So I'm just doing around the nose, around the mouth, and also around my eyebrows. But you'll see it throughout the video that I changed a little bit of the eyebrows because I just wasn't feeling it. At first I thought I was, but then again, I just didn't like it. And then I am going to trace around my neck with those two shades along with my chin area to give it that shaded look. Now I am going in to the rippled effect, kind of like what we did with my first video with the zombie, how we drew out the veins. This one is just a little bit more different because we're doing that same technique as doing the veins, but instead of that we are using the shades Boutique and You're Kidding to look more of a dirty blood vein look for the mask, so that way it looks a little bit more on that side rather than just like veins, if that makes sense. Next, we're going to take our white eyeliner, and I just use NYX white liner to line all over the lips, and you saw that I changed the eyebrows, but I'm going to use that and I'm going to set it all over the lips along with the color Flashback, just because we are whiting out that, and obviously Mike Myers ain't wearing no lipstick. So I started to do that, and I'm shading in my Cupid's bow, and I shaded my brows around the area on both sides, and also I shaded just a little bit under my eyes just to give more of a contouring look. Now I went back to Spooky and Benny just to shade in those areas to give it more of a shaded effect and more realistic. And to me, it just looked a little bit too plain Jane, so you already know I had to add some dimension into it. So that's what I'm doing throughout the face. Then afterwards, you're just only going to use mascara, no lashes, because obviously he ain't wearing no false lashes. So all I did off camera was liner and lashes, and that would be it for the look.
And this is the completed look for the Michael Myers, the girl version. Now you can have a rubber knife with you with blood on it. I just didn't want to do all that because I didn't want to get demonetized. I don't know if I would get demonetized, so don't want to take that risk. But this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. Share this video, and don't forget, if you are not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. She kind of looks like The Grudge now that I look at myself, like, for real. But I mean, Michael Myers, he was one of my favorites. I also have a few more, but you'll see it in the upcoming video. But until next time, te quiero mucho, mis amores. Mwah. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.